se we hu na de ye bedi hu nkomo ne friend GIC na GIC no oma register companies be our London in recent times me pese menya GIC 1 na obi ehu senior omusi register company no wadama se utie mi a bo modern abawa so na tie ni ye na se o hwe so a na on the 14th of December 2022 we are the registrar of companies in the United Kingdom London ho ene yakọ register a company a friend GIC Capital Investments Private Limited London office. Na York House 45 Seymour Street London na ne akade techiri for 14th December 2022 investment advisory services so unya sika bi na person di ko wura adwumakuo bi mu na di ko di dwuma saa adwumakuo se na akọkọji sabi nimdie ni nyansa won ho na omo de di omo dwuma ntino what do they do bronis what is their modus operandi is equal to the business investment advisory services na oko GIC 2 amira omo san register yet another company and also omo ayem show kakra and omo register on the 7th of February 2023. Intina himo and only a friend GIC Private Limited. Into your the investment arm and the other private limited company arm. Now uremu yara chese omono capital tower ke maybe ID no on the correspondence address overseas entity omo Singapore with ACP. Ura nti yaba ni say na ye biebie na ni so no na ye nyina ye di sua de na ye te nneoma ase because bibie nsi kwa se na ebe ya ye benya adansidi e won nsem a e ya ye ka no mi wada ma ye to aso ye ka kwa ase ho no na je se o hwemu yi a GIC no e ye den ye duru PIF no ye bisa o se PIF na ye den the same template and no pay ye yusu de adi enkomo ama emu aye hwam na ye kra behwe na hye nyame animonyam na account so akoma na wa hu bibi afrim because untimi mfa data na TV na obre na wo de mame anope ni mame ebra me so mi nya hwe emfama GIC no se ne ka se PIF the investment arm of Saudi Arabia GIC mira Singapore Sovereign Wealth Fund
Singapore.
Yes. International company registration no Singapore correspondence address no. We are driven by a common purpose, securing Singapore's financial future. Inti broni beka say on my Singapore, Lee Kuan Yew ne my Singapore no. Omo sika omo boabo no dia kogu baabi no. Company in there so. Yanko yanim ne nto aso ene na adwumadi na ankasa tesɛn in a subsequent case bra say uhu a na kyerɛ sɛ omo dwumadi omo di no enyina ne sɛ omo de Singapore ban sika no ewurawura baabi a ebetimi de mfasode a esefata abre oman Singapore no because you look at it carefully bra they are doing very well but they would want to diversify. Our purpose strengthens our resolve to be prepared, vigilant and prudent with managing Singapore's reserves. GIC's guiding light, our unwavering commitment to the people of Singapore. You get the point. Now, yanko enim. Omudwumadi no omoye no. How are they diversifying their portfolio? Mira, edimfie aduanan bako.
Yes.
Omo nipa apem ene ahankono 1009 a won afa won adwumayefo ewiase fa na nyina. Omo office ewo 11 different places ewo wiase. Mira ne tintini ne tietie nyina ni. These are the people trying to get a minority stake in Liverpool.
Omoni. Wow.
Nti IMF sikana ye kana monte asia no. Ene me kire so uni sika obetua ni nyina en de ato player ni release clause yes ye sika ni nyina en da. Na ye ne say o ka kire Premier League no. Na wa ka kire club na auto player na free mu no. Say oh me wo player ya ja tum say me ton na ma Premier League team maso Messi. Timva Shboshlai any Liverpool be catch a Leipzig say betua musika ni nyina na mum ye tra koma Premier League say sika na ye tua na enye ya na ye tua na mum ye de ka ne e ma obi nipa ne discan be ma na yɛ tua ne nkakra man.
Oh, okay.
So you can secure external funding to buy players like this. Now what to scanner money background. The Liverpool had to run to an external funder believed to be GIC. So mom 60 million and the year farmer RB Leipzig.
Wow.
Now omunje Dominic Sportsline. Mom said no problem. Until now they would bring the cost to them. Mira, these are uncharted territories. I had near what they say. The money be why person in the city. Okay, the Liverpool here Barcelona with Felipe Coutinho Sicano. Now Barcelona was structured payment, but omoko ton Sicano, Edima Obi, and omokache ni pane say on tue Sicano ma until omu Sicani na at the go from that company, and a nipano koda in Barcelona kaji omusika. So these are the uncharted territories we are in. The GIC is actively looking for a stake in Liverpool, and this is how it is progressing.